Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Oura Ring 3. First, ensure your new Oura Ring is fully charged. Place it on the charging dock, connecting the USB cable to a power source. While it charges, download the Oura app from your smartphone's app store. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, as this is essential for the next steps. A full charge typically takes between 20 and 80 minutes. Once your ring is charged and the app is installed, open the Oura app. It will guide you through the pairing process. Simply hold your ring near your phone. Next, you'll create your personal profile. Accurately enter details like your height, weight, and age. This information is crucial for the ring to provide personalized and precise health insights. Grant the app any requested permissions for optimal functionality. For the most accurate data, wear your Oura ring on your index, middle, or ring finger. The sensors, which are the 3 small bumps, should be on the palm side of your finger. It's important to allow at least 24 hours, or ideally a few days, for the ring to calibrate to your unique body signals. This initial period helps establish your baseline for sleep, activity, and readiness scores. With your Oura ring set up and calibrated, dive into the Oura app. You'll find detailed insights into your sleep stages, daily activity levels, and overall readiness score. Take time to explore the various features, customize your personal goals, and adjust preferences in the settings. The app also offers guided sessions and educational content to help you understand and improve your well-being. Enjoy your journey to better health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.